Let's make sure all the lug nuts are accounted for.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Whoa!
All right, are we loaded up doing a road trip?
Yeah. Wait, there's one right here.
And right here.
And there's one right here.
All right.
Away from the
What are we
road.
taking?
Well, we can take red and
I have my car. It can fit 3, 4.
4. Does that AC?
Yeah.
We're in. Here we go.
so do we have packs? No.
Oh, hell yeah.
Okay.
Are we going?
I don't think all of us. Yeah, I got my one. I put some shoes.
Get home.
What are you doing now?
About to be fixing a tire.
What are you doing now?
Fixing a tire.
I'm not going to do that.
Ladies.
Back.
Oh, damn.
You know, if we didn't come out here to check on her car, this
I
wouldn't
would've been
happen.
She would have probably went to work. I mean, went.
Leaving.
Hybrid, same. It's like a.
Yes.
I think who makes the Prius? Toyota Prius. That's a Honda Hybrid. Same. They
thing.
look the same,
It's the same thing.
but yeah, it has that little thing there when it's running on battery.
It runs on battery?
Yeah, when you stop at a stop sign, the engine turns off. It's like move.
You know Josh's new truck does that?
For real?
Yeah, when he stops, it
Eco-
just turns off.
All right, Chance, this open the door.
She's so sad.
We got this.
Wait, filming?
Yeah. Never mind. We're not filming. You're creepy. You make me nervous. Cody. It's not working.
It's good.
It looks like the light at the end of the road.
You like making dumb videos?
Actually, I think mine's a little smaller.
Might be.
That's the first for me.
Yeah.
We're here! No, nothing? Okay.
Just pull up to the.
How many people work here?
Right here.
Over 100. Yeah.
Holy crap.
Are you finally ready to leave?
Yay!
Do it together.
the young
The
kid.
buddy
Woohoo!
system
I don't know who it
begins.
is.
Call your
Some
BFF.
kid wearing ADH
Listen,
shirt.
this
They're
Monday,
letting-
7
they're
a.m. It's
polishing
all about
them
the Fat
trucks.
Club.
I feel at home.
What do you got to say about your flat tire?
I'm glad it's getting fixed. Thank you.
What do you got to say about your boyfriend helping your mom? I mean, his mama.
I think it's very sweet.
What do you think about your brother?
It's sweet.
What do you think about your stepbrother? Okay.
Like Kim?
That's foot control too. I'm talking about this.
Oh, y'all have a Coke machine. Oh, I want sweet tea. $1.50 my butt. But she's looking.
Still building. Yeah.
What's up?
What's going on? Just gotta build air in the compressor a little bit.
So what's going on right now?
Just gotta build air in the compressor a little bit so there's have enough air to squeeze that tire off the rim right there and then we can get started.
Nice. That was nice.
Well, we're cooking with Crisco now.
Actually,
Good? Oh, this thing still has the warning labels on it.
Alright. Do it again.
It's on my air. Did you let me go through the bars? I don't know where they're at. Here's one. Oh,
Your rim might be.
Yours is so weird.
Where's your duck?
The what? I'm not a tire man, dude. I just work here.
Yay!
My father, that dude called him.
Oh, Wowie Willikers. There it is.
So we have 2 screws.
2 screws.
I don't even know how the hell you get a screw out. Yeah, let me get a small one.
The other one's a nail. No, it's Phillips.
A nail is.
I've never seen that before.
That one's not through.
Oh, bad idea.
This one's all the way through. That other one's not.
See it all worn down. We might.
You got a pair of pliers? Like channel locks or.
Channel locks, I mean, look in this whole red toolbox over here for me.
Show.
Pliers like this here. Some little pliers. Damn. Get it, these bad boys. These nippers here work.
Oh, here comes the save the day. Looks like you're trying to get a lure out of a fish.
Oh. I guess that's it. Yeah, that is the whole thing. A little short little devil.
First one didn't even look like it was.
Are you happy?
Very.
I need all.
This is the patient.
This is the patient.
His name is Rubber. For a tire.
It's rubber.
Mr. Rubber. Oh, he's got this flashlight going on now.
Debating process.
You just got my feet dirty. Yeah. Ooh.
Yeah, my feet are a little dirty.
Nice.
Look at a little sampler of Madison.
That's nice. Oh, very nice. Very
Mine are clean because I have shoes on.
Doing?
Babe.
gained a little weight, guys. I gained a little weight. You know, my stomach. So I've been eating a lot of stuff. My thighs are kind of fat. My cankles. Don't you love my cankles?
Oh, we got the.
Skylar, come here. I look so fat. Look, go over. Look, look, look.
Let me see. Ew, what if I really...
It's not worse. It's like normal. I look so fat. Oh my god, look at my butt. Look at my butt. Look at it.
See?
Kim Kardashian. Actually, it's kind of skinnier. That's not normal.
Duh.
Google that.
Is that balance?
Goodness, you see all these damn tires around here?
They're probably all off balance.
She ain't no good, Tim.
No?
No.
Those calves, though. Meanwhile, caught up in my jeans. Hey, hey. Oh my god. This is my calling. Yes.
With the snack.
Potato skins, cheddar and bacon. Ew. Hate it? No. Onion rings. I am just telling over here. Gotta get this. Yeah.
I like it.
Oh, it's actually very. Ew, never mind. The sink is well, that's because they're. It's. Meanwhile. Oh.
Wait, go over there.
Oh, I wonder. Oh, hello. Why is there? That's kind of stupid.
Well, if this was closed.
Oh, true. Pretty sure I just locked that. We should go search for. I should have brought my phone. We should have searched for Pokemon.
No.
I'm sad now. Yep. La la.
What do you think, Tim?
Fine. See what we're dealing with. Oh my gosh, that's funny. They're all wearing black. Whoa, that is. You're wearing black. 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 Oh, he's wearing gray. I'm not wearing black. You're not wearing black.
I'm wearing black.
Oh, I actually am wearing black. My headband.
I'm wearing black.
Where? That isn't. Your headband doesn't count. So part of me, it's an article of clothing. Your eyelashes are not black. They're brown. The oldest to newest Dr. Pepper.
There you go.
My calves. Yay! Ready? Let's all give a round of applause. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Way to go, guys.
Yay!
Teamwork, teamwork.
On the count on 3, we yell hooray. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hooray! Okay, we're done. Hey. Tim, how you feel?